Strathmore Street is a sheltered housing complex located in Perth, easily accessible to the town centre. Sheltered housing allows you to live independently in your property while having a housing support officer on site who will offer housing advice and ensure the properties are properly maintained. Here at Strathmore Street, we have 24 flats in total, including two two-bedroom flats and 22 one-bedroom flats. The access to the complex is via a secure door entry system. The building is fully accessible, with ramps at both entrances and lift access to the upper floors.
My proper name is Alice Shea, but I'm known as Ali, and I'm just coming up for 2 years here. Well, one thing is you get checked on every day. You're being looked after, but I think I can sleep better at night when I know there's somebody around. I enjoy it. I've got quite a few friends now. See them most days. Go down to the lounge and have a chat and a cup of tea.
Throughout the complex and within each property, there are alarm systems in place, with pull cords that can be used in the event of an emergency. Within our building, we have a communal accessible toilet, which is fully adapted for tenants to use. We also have communal drying facilities on every floor with modern appliances and ample drying space. Tenants also have access to a bin chute in every floor. Strathmore Street has a lovely communal lounge and kitchen which can be used for social events. The lounge is well attended for a variety of gatherings, and all tenants are welcome to join. Outside, we have a communal garden which is easily accessed from the back door. There are several benches which tenants use to sit and enjoy the lovely surroundings. Across the road from the building, you can find a lovely walking path that will take you to Camilla Bell Park. The building also has private parking for tenants and visitors, as well as 2 scooter pods that are available for rental from the council. If you need any further information about Strathmore Street, you can visit www.pkc.gov.uk/sheltered housing.